Hey everyone, welcome to our guide on achieving success with affiliate marketing. What you hear it everywhere you turn now, but for good reason. Affiliate marketing offers an incredible opportunity to generate passive income online by partnering with businesses and promoting their products or services. But with so many moving parts, it can seem overwhelming for beginners. That's where we come in. In this video, we'll walk you through 10 essential steps to help you thrive in the affiliate marketing world. I'm going to give you actionable advice, share proven strategies, and equip you with the knowledge you need to start seeing real results. So whether you're a complete newbie or have some experience, get ready to level up your affiliate marketing games. The first step to affiliate marketing success is choosing the right niche. This is crucial, guys, because it sets the foundation for your entire business. Select a niche you are genuinely interested in and knowledgeable about. This will make creating content so much easier and more enjoyable in the long run. You need to make sure there's a viable market for your chosen niche. Look for niches with a proven track record of profitability and a decent search volume. Finding the sweet spot between demand and competition is key to success. Once you've nailed down your niche, it's time to find the perfect affiliate programs to partner with. Popular networks include Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank, and CJ Affiliate. These platforms offer a wide range of products and services to promote. Prioritize quality over quantity when selecting programs. Focus on programs that align with your niche and resonate with your audience. Review each program's terms, commission structure, and payment methods. Building strong relationships with affiliate managers is valuable. They can provide support, exclusive deals, and insights.
Build
your platform. Your home base for valuable content that attracts your target audience and drives affiliate sales. Think of it as your corner of the internet to share expertise and recommendations. This could be a blog, YouTube channel, or website. Consistently create high-quality content that provides value, including blog posts, videos, product reviews, and tutorials. Optimize for SEO to attract organic traffic. Use relevant keywords in titles and content. This helps rank higher in search results. Consistency is key. Establish a regular posting schedule. In the crowded world of affiliate marketing, building a strong personal brand is essential for standing out from the competition and establishing yourself as a trusted authority in your niche. Think of your personal brand as your unique selling proposition. It's what makes you different and memorable. It's about showcasing your personality, your expertise, and your genuine passion for your niche. One of the best ways to build a strong personal brand is to be authentic and relatable. Share your personal experiences, your successes or failures, and your unique perspective. People connect with real, so don't be afraid to let your personality shine through. Another important aspect of personal branding is consistency. Use consistent messaging, visuals, and a tone of voice across all your online platforms. This will help create a cohesive and memorable brand identity, and don't underestimate the power of social media. Establish a presence on platforms where your target audience stands out. Engage with your followers, share valuable content, and build relationships. Traffic is the lifeblood of any online business, and affiliate marketing is no exception. You can have the best products, the most compelling content, and the most stunning website, but without a steady stream of targeted traffic, your affiliate earnings will suffer. The key to driving consistent traffic to your affiliate offers is to diversify your traffic sources. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Instead, leverage a combination of organic and paid traffic strategies to maximize your reach. Organic traffic methods like search engine optimization, SEO, and social media marketing take time and effort to build, but they can generate sustainable, long-term results. Focus on creating high-quality content that ranks well in search results and engage your social media followers. Paid traffic, on the other hand, can deliver faster results, but it requires an investment. Explore options like Google Ads, social media ads, and influencer marketing to reach a wider audience and drive targeted traffic for your affiliate offers. Driving traffic to your affiliate offers is only half the battle. The real magic happens when you optimize your website and content for conversions, turning those clicks into cold, hard cash. Think of your website visitors like guests at a party. You want to make them feel welcome, guide them to where they want to go, and make it easy for them to find what they're looking for. Start by ensuring your website is user-friendly and easy to navigate. Use clear and concise calls to action, CTAs, that tell visitors exactly what you want them to do, whether it's shop now, learn more, or sign up today. Use high-quality images and videos to showcase the products or services you're promoting. People are visual creatures, so make sure your visuals are appealing and attention grab. And don't forget about the power of social proof. Incorporate testimonials, reviews, and case studies to build credibility and trust with your audience. Building an email list is one of the most valuable assets you can create as an affiliate marketer. Your email list is like your own personal gold mine, filled with engaged subscribers who have explicitly given you permission to communicate with them. But how do you convince people to hand over their precious email addresses? The key is to offer something valuable in return. Create a lead magnet, such as a free ebook, checklist, template, or video series that provides real value to your target audience. Once you've created your lead magnet, promote it prominently on your website, social media platforms, and at the end of your blog posts or videos. Make it clear what subscribers will gain by signing up for your list. Use your email list to nurture relationships with your subscribers, provide them with exclusive content, and promote relevant affiliate offers. Segment your list based on interests and engagement to ensure you're sending the right messages to the right people. In a world dominated by algorithms and automation, never underestimate the power of genuine human connection in affiliate marketing. Building strong relationships with your audience is essential for building trust, credibility, and ultimately driving conversions. Engage with your followers on social media, respond to comments, answer questions, and participate in relevant conversations. Show your audience that you're not just a faceless entity pushing products, you're a real person who genuinely cares about their needs and interests. Use storytelling to make your product promotions more relatable and less salesy. Share personal anecdotes, customer success stories, or even funny experiences related to the products or services you're promoting. And remember, building relationships takes time and effort. Be patient, be consistent, and focus on providing value to your audience. The more you nurture these relationships, the more likely your audience will be to trust your recommendations and make a purchase through your affiliate links. The world of digital marketing is constantly evolving, and affiliate marketing is no exception. To stay ahead of the curve and continue generating passive income, you need to be adaptable, embrace change, and never stop learning. Make it a habit to stay updated on the latest trends, algorithm changes, and industry news. Follow relevant blogs, listen to podcasts, attend webinars, and connect with other affiliate marketers to stay in the loop. Don't be afraid to experiment with new strategies, platforms, and tools. What worked yesterday might not work tomorrow, so it's essential to be willing to adapt your approach and try new things. And remember, failure is just a stepping stone to success. Not every strategy you try will be a home run. Embrace your mistakes as learning opportunities, analyze what went wrong, and adjust your approach accordingly. Congratulations. You've made it to the final step in our affiliate marketing journey. Now, it's time to analyze your results, optimize your strategies, and scale your business to new heights. Regularly review your performance metrics such as traffic sources, conversion rates, and MAs per click. Identify your top-performing content, campaigns, and affiliate programs. Use this data to optimize your existing strategies and double down on what's working well. For example, if you notice that a particular type of content is generating a lot of traffic and conversions, create more of it. Once you've optimized your existing strategies, it's time to explore scaling your business. This could involve investing in paid advertising, collaborating with other influencers or affiliates, or even creating your own products or services. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on affiliate marketing and digital success. We're here to support you every step of the way. And remember, affiliate marketing is a marathon, not a sprint.